Gotta be good. Damn. Next one. Mewtwo. Yep. Again, Mewtwo. Damn. Slowpoke, the worst one ever. Oh my. What's the next one? By the way, this is actually AI generated. Pikachu! It's Pikachu! Next one. Pikachu again. Noise. What the hell? Why does the guy have so much health? Next one. Charizard. Why is that in Chinese? Chinese or Japanese? Damn. Huh? What the? Next. Okay, Mewtwo. No. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, Mewtwo again. Mewtwo brings me luck. Okay, what's the next one? Okay. Not that bad. So let's see what's the next one. It's Pikachu! Sorry. Time to do it. No! It was so close. God damn. God dang it. Are you serious right now? At the starting was giving me so best luck. Damn, it's here. Yo, I got Eevee. Yippee. Eevee kind of cute. Is that Japanese or Chinese? Seriously? Next one. Okay, this one again. Some parts are long, some parts are short. Mewtwo! Yeah! Happy! So let's see if I can... By the way, she looks kind of... I don't know if it's a he or a she. But let's just call it a he. Damn. Noise. Looks kind of cute, but noise.